Hey everyone, so I wanted just to come on and show you a little cleanse day treat. So I have a blender cup with some ice in it. I'm gonna put 2 scoops of peach mango cleanse for life in there. And we know that on cleanse days you can have herbal tea and it's not any points. So I actually took, I saved my old pickle jars for like grease or whatever, and I had one. So yesterday I made some sun tea with green tea. So I put 4 bags of green tea in here, filled it up with water, put it outside all day yesterday, and then grabbed it this morning, popped it in the fridge so it would be cold, and I'm going to use this as the liquid for this yummy treat. So I'm going to fill it up and I'm going to blend away. So this is my favorite to do for a reset, and it is my favorite to do when I feel like I need to social distance myself from the fridge and I need to kind of reset my cravings. I do not cleanse for weight loss anymore, but more of the benefits that I get from the cleanse. So going into 24 hours of fasting, of doing our supported intermittent fast, you start to go through autophagy. And so I like to cleanse now for the benefits of immune support and just the health benefits. So though I am in my late 30s now, I love to cleanse to help me with my cells and aging more gracefully. So what that looks like is after 24 hours, at about 24 hours, your body starts going through autophagy. And what autophagy is it is when your human growth hormone gets ramped up, you start creating these new kind of vibrant, amazing cells, and those new cells that are healthy and amazing start to go and recycle your old, dead, and damaged cells. So that is why I cleanse now, for just cellular and overall health. New cells is better for your immune system. You start to create more white blood cells, like all of the things. So I have my Cleanse for Life, green tea, and some ice. I'm just gonna blend it up, and then it's gonna be this amazing treat. I don't think I put enough ice in it though. I'll show you. So also, I usually love on cleanse days to go to Starbucks. It's like my treat in the afternoon on cleanse days, and I usually like to get myself a venti iced green tea, unsweetened, which is exactly what this is, unsweetened green tea. I like to add some cleanse to it. Sometimes I'll add my ionics to it, but it makes for a great treat. I don't have the fancy like Sonic amazing ice. I just have me some normal ice. So, but I have a little cleanse day treat. So a little slushy for my afternoon cleanse. So if you guys have questions about cleansing, cleanse day slushies, anything, let us know.